from Jersey originally, but I ended up in Seattle. That's what happens when you have warrants in New Jersey. You end up in Seattle, miraculously, and I was doing comedy. I was 1995, I was a fucking criminal, and I was doing stand-up comedy, and I get to Seattle, and I find this fucking dude with a Boston hat. He's got a Boston hat at the club, and I go, that's my fucking dude right there, because you're up there with a bunch of fucking rednecks, you know, whatever the fuck they are. So I saw Josh, and we hit it off, and we became friends and roommates, and he covered my ass every weekend. So we're there about 3 years, and we're about to leave. He's gonna go to LA, September 25th or something, and I'm gonna follow him. But I was under probation, so I couldn't leave right away from Seattle. I had problems up there too, so. Josh used to manage a bar in Seattle, and we needed money. We were fucking dying on the buying guys. We would get like $50 a show. Nobody had money. So Josh managed this bar, and he goes, the Yankees are playing the Mariners, and when the Yankees come to town, everybody drops a bunch of dough, and the bar has the money there on Saturday night, like 30 grand, and they won't deposit it till fucking Monday. This is your chance to shine, motherfucker. So Josh has a gig in Idaho, so it's me and Louis the Lip, whatever his fucking name was, right? Frank the Lip, and I don't know what happened, because the alarm is there, the money, just go there. I don't know how you're gonna get in there. So I wait till about 11:30. Now I'm doing like a comedy show, and I gotta leave to go rob a fucking safe. You learn how to fucking multitask growing up in Jersey. So fuck 30,000. I got it. I'm getting paid like one of the Alex Jones victims. You know what I'm saying? Keep the fucking bad guy. So I go down there with Louis the Lip. I go around the back door. I kick the door down, right? Like a metal door. I just listen. When you're broke, you get the strength of 10 dead Iranians. You understand? I was fucking strong. I was hungry. I ain't fucking around. I'm moving this door like Mary Magdalene moved that fucking rock. Okay? I'm moving this motherfucker. If that Betty Hall found the straight, I find the straight. So I kick the fucking door down. I go upstairs. I'm running up the stairs. And first I gotta run upstairs. Now at the time I'm like 225, maybe 230. All right. I run up the stairs and I go to pick up the fucking safe. Now, I'm not a safe cracker, but I learned growing up in Jersey, you don't need to be a safe cracker. Just rob the safe, bring it home, and call the welder, right? So, I watched the movie Thief, James Caan. Tremendous, 1980. Rented tonight, right? The beach out of rock. So, I go to pick up the safe. The safe weighs 10,000 fucking pounds. Again, Mary Magdalene threw a little blessing on me. I picked up that fucking safe. Like the Django Unchained. I threw that motherfucker down the stairs. I could feel my heart bumping. And then I had to push it out the door. I'm pushing it, it lands on the fucking concrete. I go out, Louis the Lip's got the trunk open. I did all the fucking heavy work here. And what do I see? Cop cars are parked in the parking lot, speeding people. But they don't know we're robbing the joint. They got no fucking idea that we're robbing the joint. They're out there with the speed gun like fucking Mama Luke's. I pick up the fucking safe, I throw it in the fucking trunk, and we're getting laid, paid, and parlayed. I go back to my crib, which is Josh's backyard. I mean, in the back, you stay in the backyard. I got the safe and I hit this motherfucker till 4 in the morning. Blink, blink, blink. There was no welders available. I'm hitting this motherfucker. And finally the thing opens up. I don't know how I opened this fucking safe up. And there's $800 in quarters in this motherfucker. What are you laughing about? I did laundry for a year.
Yeah, a couple things. I remember when first of all, we called him Frankie the Lip, and when I say we, it was Joe. Because look, man, every now and then he'd get a flare up, And whenever he had that big fucking sword, he'd walk in and Joey would go, "The limp!" Always made me fucking "The limp!" So a couple things he left out of the safe story. One, the stairs. So the office was upstairs. The stairs leading up and down were wood. And so when he rolled it down the stairs, it just went through the stairs. So it didn't make it all the way. He had to then jump over the hole in the stairs and go down. And then he called me. First of all, he called me. He goes, "Hey." I go, "Yeah." And he goes, "You got a combination to this thing?" I go, "No, I thought you said we were going to rob the safe. You knew how to get it open." And he goes, "No, I'm a safe robber, not a safe crabber." And I was like, I didn't know there was a difference. And they seemed like two skills that should go hand in hand. You know what I'm saying? But then when he called, and he goes, and he's always called me by my first and last name, Josh Wolf. I go, "Yeah." And he goes, "What am I supposed to do with $800 worth of fucking coins?" And I go, "What do you mean?" Because that's what's in the safe. And I go, "Well, how are we going to split it up?" He goes, "Fuck you, split it up." Yeah, he was not splitting corners with me. Yeah.
24 day I'm living just to make it through another 24. For heaven's sakes, I got me constantly smoking. I'm getting high just to balance out the lows. And they always tell me that I should be living better, and they're right, I suppose. But you know how the story goes. Another day, another dollar, holla. 7 p.m. once again, I'm breaking up the bud. 145 or 99, we're crowned.